weche mag ng'anyo ni jopuonj mag junior secondary county ma Nyamira bende obago ng'anyo e boma ma Nyamira kaka gidhiro sirikal mondo mi ondikgi e tich yo ma ongirore. E kinde ng'anyo mane ochakore e chiro ma Ikonge kendo dhi nyaka apis jatend weche mag somo e sub county ma Nyamira North mayudore e Kerenyo. Jopuonj go oramo ni ngang' ok gibidok e skul ka bende gisiemo jonyuol mondo kik tere nyithindgi e sikunde ka gikoni onge ng'ata madhi puonjo nyithindogo. Jopuonj go bende okone en gima lit ni gin sirikal otamore ndikogi ka josiasa kod jotelo mamoko to osene ka chiwo barupe mag tije ne jomamoko e rombe mag siasa kod liete.
We have seen several letters splashed in funerals and political rallies. Initially, the procedure was that just you graduate earlier, you get appointment earlier. But what we are seeing now is that our political leaders are bringing letters to give people who graduated about even 2 months ago, leaving those of us who have been in the field, who graduated about 2017, 2014, 2016. Honestly, it's extremely unfair.
One of the lawyers of TSC, 1 week ago, said that we are cleaners and painters. And so we are here to confirm to them that we are not going to that school because we are painters and we are cleaners. Until they come out and apologize.
Kwamba eti hii internship ni initiative ya serikali. Ni kwamba wanatukataa eti sisi si employees wa TSC. Na hilo jambo kidogo linatutia wasiwasi. Iwapo sisi si employees wa TSC, basi sisi ni nani na kwa nini tuende shuleni? Mbona watu amuru turudi shule na wanajua vyema kwamba sisi si employees, wanatuita cleaners and painters.
We're not going to bow down to any intimidations from anyone. Those are the teachers calling us, CSOs, telling us that we will be called out of our job. We are not going to quit this war. We will continue fighting. We will remain to be cleaners and painters until you know our worth and confirm us to permanent